Alright guys, in this video I'm going to share with you my ideas on forex trade, and let me remind you this: there is no expert rate in forex trade. Everyone is just being conscious and putting his best to make sure he get rid of unnecessary loss. Alright, so in this video I'm going to share with you how I make my entry and how I get my confirmation before I make any entry. Right now I'm going to use my MT4. MT4 is the platform I'm going to use in this trading. I have account with MT5 and TradingView, but right now I'm going to use MT4. So right here on my MT4 I'll be opening USD JPY as the currency pair. The currency pair I'm going to trade on is USD JPY. Right now is on 5 minutes time frame. Alright, before I start analyzing the market, I'll first of all zoom in the chart to the minimum and then zoom it out to step 2 or step 3. Alright, so right now is on step 2. Alright, I can zoom it out once more to increase it, yes, to step 3. Alright, having done this, I will go to the time frame because I cannot use 5 minutes time frame to analyze the market. It will be too noisy. So you can see at the top left corner of the screen, it's on USDT JPY 5 minutes time frame, so I'll change it to 30 minutes time frame. Alright, if the 30 minutes time frame seems a little bit noisy, I'll still change it to 1 hour time frame. Alright, so you can see the structure of the charts on 1 hour time frame. The entry I made 2 days ago, here is it. Of course you can see, and it almost hit my stop loss. Let me zoom it so that you will see what happened. Okay, you can see this is a particular spot. This is a spot where I make my entry, and this is my stop loss. This green line down, you can see that when it moves down on this bearish candle, it almost hit my stop loss. But because I have several confirmation, I have a lot of bullish, strong bullish movement, and after the rest of my analysis, I decided to make entry on this. Okay, so as it moves down, then I have this bullish engulfing, which engulf all the rest of the candle, and then immediately the next bullish movement started, then hit my first take profit level. And having this engulfing to hit my third profit level, I allow the chart to keep moving. I decided to close the entry. I close it somewhere here where you have the price presently. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Now this chart is on 1 hour time frame. If you look at this using Fibonacci channel, you can see that this was a downtrend. Alright, this was a downtrend, and if you so now you can see from Fibonacci channel, you can see that you have significant point right here. So now where the market is another strong level. Where this market presently is is another strong significant level. So now I change it to line chart so I will know what I'm doing. Okay, now I will make it to touch, okay, the lower point of the candle and the top of the candle. Let go of the wick or take it a little bit above to hit the wick. Okay, let me get rid of the Ichimoku. I'll use my RSI. Okay, now the chart is a little bit neat, so go back to alright. So you can see that this is a significant level. Now trust me, my RSI is approaching the overbought, and now this was initially a downtrend. This was a downtrend, and then you have this reversal movement trying to hit the previous high. I can take this to be the previous high. I can take this place to be the previous high. Alright, I take that to be the previous high, and now here are the significant points. Okay, this was previously a support area, SP. Now the support area become resistance here, and also resistance here. Now it is possible that since this guy is already on downtrend, it's possible that as this guy is on downtrend, definitely there will be a kind of continuation in the trend line downward. Probably when you hit the channel, it will begin to form another candle up towards. Okay, so this is the kind of movement I'll be expecting, and then it will continue down and so on, or it may even be from this point down. Now, having identified the overall trend under 1 hour time frame, I then change it to 30 minutes time frame because I'm going to make my entry under 30 minutes time frame. Right now you can see that the charts, the candlestick are not longer in the channel like it was in the previous chart where we were on 1 hour time frame. So right now I'm going to take a short. I'm going to sell. I will enter multiple entry because I've gotten my confirmation under 1 hour time frame. However, I'll be expecting a reversal back to the significant zone, but before then I can take my profit before having the reversal. But at this point I am convinced that this market will go belly. I'm convinced that this market will move down, so I make my entry instantly. I will also make multiple entry. Okay, now alright, you can see just make my second entry, my third entry, and let me reduce my lot size to be on the server side. Okay, Okay, I am okay for now. I am very much okay. Alright, you can see it. This is magical. Of course, you can see the chart is running down. It is on a race, on a high race down. This is one of the history breaking strategies. You can barely come across any trader with similar idea. So this is, at this point I will take my Fibonacci retracement to trace and find out where I will place my stop loss and choose between. I usually use my second take profit level. So after retracing the entry, after using Fibonacci retracement to retrace and then select my profit level. Okay, so you can see my SL stand for stop loss. So where I have SL, which is slightly above the significant zone, that is where my stop loss is. That's where I'm going to place my stop loss. That is. Now let's go back to 1 hour time frame. Okay, right now on our 1 hour time frame, you can see that the candlesticks are in the channel. All right, and above the channel from the significant area, you can see that the chart, the price is moving down, is moving towards the channel, and this is indeed a great opportunity for us to make profit.